Hello guys, welcome back to another origami video. Today I will be making something that I have been wanting to for a long time, but I haven't yet. And now I will be going to show you what it is and telling you all about it. And then I will be teaching you how to do it. So what I am going to make is this box spinner that I was supposed to teach like over 9 months ago, but now I'm going to teach it. So, they're box spinners. They spin really good. That's the spinner part. This is the box part. You pull two flaps and then open up the center. And then there's the box. And then on this one, I show you again. Open up two flaps, and then you have the box, and then you close them back up. Lift them up a bit on the back side like this, and then it'll spin again. So one thing I want to show you before we get started is these are a little different, but they're pretty much the same. It just you can hold them a little differently. And I'll show you how to do that. On the side. And now, ready, set, here goes. Let's start holding. So what we want is any size any 6-inch paper will work. White on one side, colored on the other side. So what we are going to do is start white side up and fold in half in both directions. Okay, so when you're done with that, you want to hold it and put all four corners to the center. You'll make all this and this edge, line of this, and this edge and this corner goes to the center. And when you do that, it'll line up and then you crease all the way across. And do that 3 more times. And now when you are done with that, putting all that, we are going to do this. You can hold it like this, or you can rotate it. For comfort, if you need to, but I'm just gonna do it like this. You can just rotate it like this, and hold it like this, but I'm gonna do it like this. And then we're gonna rotate it left to right, and do the same thing 3 more times. Okay, when you're done with that, what we are going to do is unfold these flaps like this. And then, yeah, we're going to unfold these flaps, rotate it like this, and then do the other side and unfold these flaps like this. And then we are going to fold this. Oh, before we do that, we are going to do it on any of the corners. But we are going to do these. We're going to make a middle line right here, middle pinch mark on each of these so you know where the middle is. And you're just going to line it up. Doesn't need to be exactly perfect. Just line it up and pinch right here and here. And then we are going to rotate it. And then we are going to line it up as good as you can. And then do that like this. And then hold these flaps back up. Or wait, don't hold them up yet. Put this corner to here. You don't want to hold it like this. You hold it like this or like this, however far you want. You hold it like this and this, however far you want. And then you can, when you like it, you just hold it like this all the way across. And then unfold that and do that 3 more times. And try to match it the same. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just shape the taste however you like. Farther or shorter. Farther apart, we'll make it like this. Shorter apart than that will be like this, or it'll be a point there. So whatever you like, you can do that. If you do it all the way on, then it'll be more. And then when you got all 4 of them complete, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now when we're done with that, you're going to hold these flaps back up and you can do this. And they're already pre-creased. Already creasing. And then you can do this. So now what you want to do is this crease and this line. These two will come together. Wait, I'm wrong side. Flip it back over. And then these 2 sides. This one, to this side, and this side. Like this, you'll make it mountain fold, both mountains, and then hold it over like this. You'll do this all the way, like, yeah, you'll do this, you'll pinch it like this, and then you will do this. And then you'll take this inside, the inside right here, you'll hold it like this with your fingers, and you'll do that 2 more times. I can show you that 1 more time. So what you want to do is rotate it like this, reverse this crease from valley to mountain, and this one valley to mountain, go all the way. And then you will do this. And then do that 2 more times. When we're done, I'll show you what how to collapse it. Okay, so now you can just, like this, you can just put it on the table like this, and hit it down like this, and reinforce the creases, like on the new, you don't have to, like, it'll make it better, you do. Make it like this, where you put all the creases like this, and then you reinforce them like this. So now we're gonna lay it flat like this, and we're going to we're gonna hold it like this, and push all floor flaps all down at they should all come down at the same time. And there is how you hold the spinning box. This one a little different. Wherever you like it. You can do your variation. So now how you make it spin. Is what you want to do is see these existing creases, push this one up and rotate it, push this one up, and then do this so they're all up, and then a mountain shape with valley, creases, mountains, and then it'll look like this, and then it'll spin like that, but it'll work better if you push down and then do this. So that is how you make the spinning box. Sometimes it'll not work. What you do that, and then it'll work like that one. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. May the Lord bless. Bye, everyone.